Welcome to the User Admin Guide for adding public holidays to existing schedules in the PRESCIENT DN4. By clicking into the schedule we wish to edit on the schedule page, we can see the existing rules. We are then going to press Add Holiday Period, which will present a pop-up screen. At this point we will create a new recurrence for our repetitious Christmas holiday on the 25th of December each year. Pressing Create finishes this step. We can then confirm the summary of our rule, then press Add to finalize. An alternate method is to simply create a new occurrence like before, but select one-off occurrence and define the date of the given public holiday you'd like to apply. In our case, March 11, 2024 is Labor Day, in Vic and WA at least. These are the two best methods for inserting public holidays into existing schedules.